the channel That Glam Aviator, and today I have come up with some good aviation news and some vacancies. So without dealing any ado, let me tell you what I'm going to tell you about in this video. The first thing I'm going to tell you is how industry is recovering from coronavirus, how it was affected, and then some little bit of future about the aviation industry. So I have some pointers written over here, so I won't miss anything. So don't mind if I look and say, cause I want to give you guys some good content, and I will make sure that I give you each and every information that I have without missing anything, so you won't get misled by me. So yes, let's get started. So first thing is, so what was happening in pandemic that Indigo and as well as other many airlines had sent their employees on leave and they were not paying for that. But now that looking at the pandemic situation, Indigo decided to remove leave without pay thing completely. So now all the Indigo employees are working, they are getting their salaries paid. Of course, they are not getting their 100% salary because there are some few deductions happening in the salary. But yes, this is a good news that employees are getting paid. Second thing is Fly Big Airlines. It's a new launch in the aviation industry during the pandemic. So yes, you guys are getting opportunities. So Flybig is a Indore-based airlines by FHTC, and yes, they operated their first flight. Next up I have is about Zoom Air. Now it's an Indian Airlines. It was a scheduled operator airlines. They were operating in 2018. They operated for a few months, I believe. But after that they shut down their operations, but now they have resumed their operations and they are looking for vacancies. There are some vacancies for CPL holders. So new CPL holders, congratulations, you have job in the market. So let's get to the passengers. How as you all know, due to pandemic, lots of people were not traveling and there was lockdown. But according to the census which I have census of I believe 25th November. Around 2.25 lakh people traveled in domestic airlines, and that's a great news. Okay, and 55% of pre-COVID capacity was there right now in Indigo Airline. Okay, and as you know, due to the pandemic, Indian government had restricted travel around the India or around the world. It was restricted, but now looking at the situation, Indian government had approved up to 80% of flight operations than the regular one, and of course, as you always know, the rising sun, Jet Airways is going to come back, and I believe mostly up to summers of next year they will start their operations once again. Now let's get to the vacancies update. So Indigo is hiring for ground staff and the locations are Goa, Ahmedabad and Jaipur. Okay, so let me tell you about the qualifications. So HSC graduates and diploma holders can apply. Usually airlines hire who are graduate, but this is a different kind of drill. So yes, people who have just passed their HSC can apply, and you can apply on indigocareer.com. I will give the link in the description box and I will show the name of the website on the screen. You will be getting here. What you have to do is you have to sign in. Once you go on the website, you have to sign in, upload your CV. Make sure you use a passport size photo on the CV and informals. Okay, so once you sign in, they will ask you some normal questions about your passport and about where you stay and everything. So just make sure you fill them very properly, and you will get shortlisted on the basis of your CV. So make sure your CV is really good so you get shortlisted. and only shortlisted people will get invitation. Okay, so the age limit is 18 and above. 18 plus people can apply for the job, and the shifts will be rotational shifts. So you will have to work in the morning and in the night as well, and you need good communication skills for sure. So now if you want to know how to make a CV, please let me know down in the comment box. So I will make a video on how to make a CV. And this was all the updates about aviation industry. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And let me be honest with you guys. 82% of the people have not subscribed to my channel and they are watching my videos. So please यार मुफ्त का माल है, कर दो subscribe, कुछ नहीं जा रहा.